Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create an old film like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds. Then hit OK, go to file and import your video, drag and drop, and here we go. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new adjustment layer. Then I'll go to effect, color correction, and I'll add a tint. And let me change this color, maybe. Yeah. Okay, again, I'll go to effect, color correction, and I'll add a curves. Create curves here and here, something like this. And that's all here. Okay, now I'll add a new solid. Let me name it noise, and I'll go to fractal noise, double click or drag and drop. Then I'll change contrast to 200. Also brightness, I'll change it to minus 100. Then I'll go to transform, uncheck uniform scaling, and I'll change scale width to 7. And also I'll add here in the scale height, I'll add 0, 0, 2 zeros. And yeah, now I'll go to evolution, hold alt and click evolution, and I'll type here time times 100. And let me see this. Yeah, so now let me change add to lighten and see. Okay, now Control D to copy and reset here. Then I'll go to contrast and increase it. Also brightness, I'll decrease it like this. And transform on uncheck uniform scaling, and yeah, I'll decrease scale width and height like this, maybe 20, scale width 20, and also scale height I'll change it to 30, and contrast I'll change it to 600 and minus 20 on brightness like this. Then I'll go to effects, color correction, and then go to white and change it to maybe something like this. Okay, another solid. Then I'll go to ellipse, hold control and double click on this ellipse, open mask, mask feather, increase it. Let me change add to subtract, and I'll increase feather like this. And yeah, this is our old film. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.